An unknown liquid has a density of 1.32 grams per milliliter. What is the volume in milliliters of a 14.7 gram sample of the liquid? So we want to analyze this problem. We want to see what we were given. We're given that you have 14.7 grams of a sample, and we're also given the density of the sample. We would like to know what the volume is in milliliters. So question mark milliliters. We can use the density that we were given to write an equality. We know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1.32 grams. And that comes from right up here. 1 milliliter is equal to 1.32 grams. We can use our equality to write two conversion statements. We can write 1 milliliter divided by 1.32 grams, or we can have 1.32 grams divided by 1 milliliter. Then we're ready to solve our problem. We want to make sure we start with the number from the problem that's not part of the conversion factor. This is part of the conversion factor. So we want to start with the 14.7 grams. 14.7 grams. Draw a line. And now we want to choose the conversion factor that will get rid of grams and leave us with milliliters. So it's this one right here. 1 milliliter divided by 1.32 grams. This will allow us to cancel our grams. We've got grams on the top there, grams on the bottom there. They'll cancel out, and our answer will be in milliliters. So if we put this in our calculator, we'll put in 14.7 grams, and then we'll divide by 1.32 grams. The calculator will spit out an answer that looks like this. And it goes on. How many significant figures should we include in our answer? Well, this number has 3 significant figures, and this one has 3 significant figures. The 1 milliliter is exact. We don't include that. We'll want our answer to have 3 significant figures. So our answer should be 11.1, and our units will be milliliters. Kind of convenient because that's what we wanted.